Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable endurance mode on Insta360 X5. Endurance mode is a mode that will save the battery, and to do it, slide down from the top of the screen, then go to the right and find endurance mode. Click on it and you can see that it supports video, loop recording, road mode and photo, but doesn't support active HDR, AI highlights assistant, gesture control, voice control, twist to shoot, low light enhancement, timed capture, face priority, voice enhancement, auto wind noise reduction, and some other modes. So let's enable it. And now it's enabled. If you want to disable it, feel free to disable it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.